Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. Today I will be showing you how to search YouTube videos by date. But of course, let's open our YouTube application first. And then let's search for something on our YouTube to show you how it can be done in simple, easy steps. And then let's search for karaoke. And then on the upper right corner, you can see the three dots. Click on it. And then you can see filters. And on the third option, you can see upload date. And you can see the cursor pointing downwards. Click it. And then here you can see 6 options. If you want to see video that has been uploaded for the last hour, then click last hour. And then click apply. And then there you go. You can now filter and look for your desired YouTube video by date. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.